In this bizarre Ring doorbell footage, a woman appears at a home claiming she's tracking down some robbers in the neighborhood.
If you check your Ring camera, someone tried to rob a lot of people last night, so I'm tracking footsteps. Call me if you see them on your camera.
She explains that she's been following suspicious activity and believes the trail leads to this very house. While her intentions might seem sincere, the approach is far from appropriate. Sometimes, good intentions delivered the wrong way can cause more confusion than clarity. In this alarming Ring doorbell capture, a woman is calmly walking her dog when two other dogs suddenly rush out and attack. The peaceful moment quickly turns into chaos as she tries to protect her pet from the unexpected ambush. Her heart swiftly turns to a very disturbed one. In this eerie midnight encounter, a man walks up to a homeowner's property and attempts to peer into their parked car. Despite trying several times to break in, his efforts fail, and he eventually walks away into the darkness. In this unsettling moment, a woman walks up to a doorstep intending to steal a package, but her plan quickly unravels when the package makes a sound and she realizes she's being recorded by the doorbell camera. Caught off guard, she quickly walks away without taking anything. In this frustrating scene, a woman casually walks up to a home, snatches a package from the doorstep, and walks away without hesitation.
Go put it back. No. Go put it back.
Imagine waiting all week for your delivery, only to have it stolen in a swift, heartless moment. In this unbelievable scene, a man is caught on camera stealing a pack of baby diapers from someone's doorstep. What makes it worse is knowing that those diapers were likely urgently needed by a parent caring for their child. In this bold attempt, a woman spots a package at a homeowner's door and tries to steal it, unaware that the homeowner is inside.
No, I don't want. I can take up my own package. No, you wasn't getting the water bottle. No, you was trying to take my package. Don't come in my yard. Do not come in my yard. I don't need nobody help me to take my package, okay? You think if something is in my yard, I don't know it's on my floor? I can see. I just wanted to know. I have a camera. Do not come in my yard. I saw her. You was trying to take. She was in.
As she reaches for the package, the homeowner confronts her, forcing her to leave empty-handed. In this brief moment, a man approaches to steal a package but suddenly drops it, likely sensing he's being watched. It's a reminder that nearly 60% of packages aren't stolen simply because the thief feels spooked. In this unsettling clip, A man is calmly caught on camera stealing a package from a homeowner's doorstep. His ease suggests this isn't his first time pulling off a theft like this. Viewers, you can send your creepy footage to Creepy Chronicle and subscribe to our channel for more eyes-opening contents. In this suspicious scene, a man approaches a home, attempts to open the front door, and rummages through the mailbox. But the moment the homeowner calls out from inside, he bolts without hesitation.
Hello? Hello?
It seems some people don't understand boundaries. What an act of theft. In this sneaky moment, a woman is seen quietly stealing a package from a homeowner's doorstep at broad daylight. She was unaware that the doorbell camera was recording her every move. After picking the package, she casually walks away. In this touching Ring doorbell footage, a young boy walks up to a home and gently knocking on the door. Clutched in his hand is a lost wallet belonging to the homeowner's son. The boy waits patiently until someone finally answers, and after explaining what he came to return, he's graciously handed the last $2 left inside the wallet as a small token of appreciation. Deeply moved by the boy's honesty and kindness, the homeowners, now aware that the boy's family was facing serious financial struggles, felt compelled to act. They reached out to their community, sharing what had happened and how selfless this young boy had been. Before long, neighbors came together and raised $70 to support the boy and his family. In this bold Ring doorbell footage, two guys ride their bikes up to a home and shamelessly snatch a plastic statue right off the doorstep.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
With no hesitation, they grab it and ride away as if it were nothing, leaving behind the shame of their petty act. In this unsettling Ring-style exploration, Frank visits a house once occupied by a man and his two children, tragically, all found dead, with the man having taken his own life. The home had long been a site of concern, with church members regularly blessing it even before the tragedy. While investigating outside, Frank spots a shadowy figure through the window and begins to hear eerie noises. As he steps inside, the tension builds, doors creak open on their own, strange voices echo through the halls, and lights flash erratically. At one chilling moment, Frank mistakes a statue in the dim hallway for the man who once lived there.
A minute I thought I was going to be seeing dogs coming after me because I thought I heard something in the forest. It's so huge out here with the property. Pablo? Just talk with me, Pablo. I just got a light. The light just flickered. Pablo? Do you want to talk with me? Are the lights going on and off in here or what? Whoever's in this room with me, can you do it again? That's the first time I've seen that. Look at this. I don't know if that was probably swaying or just randomly sways. But ever so slightly, it's kind of moving. See it? I want to see if this one's moving. What's up with the weird art? With the statues? Do you not want me to go upstairs? I'm gonna have to go up there whether you like it or not. I don't know if that's a banging sound or something on the floor moving. Pablo? Okay, I lied. I'm not trying.
With its massive, decaying rooms and unnerving energy, the house proves to be far more terrifying than he expected. If I were to be the one, I won't stay there even for a minute. As we approach the end of this video, I just wanted to say, if you've enjoyed the thrills and chills, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more hair-raising content.